Dude, holy shit, it's running. Oh, it's running, man. Well, while the bike was running, I was doing a once-over on it, and a 30-year-old vacuum line decided to crack. It's the one that connects the head to the fuel line. So I've kind of got it rigged just with some extra line I had. It's not pretty at all, but it works, and it works too well. Listen to the bike, it is crazy. So we'll go run, start. Oh, key on, that's needed. Run, start. It starts too easy now. One thing I've seen Adam Reeman mention in a video in his Honda African Twin of the same year as my Transalp is how they don't use bolts on these sprockets. There's a gearing inside of the sprocket, and these teeth on it, these teeth that you're seeing, can wear down. What that eventually means is that you'll end up having to take the entire engine apart if you don't maintain your sprocket correctly. These will wear down, and you'll have a circle spinning a circle. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new sprocket in here. It is insanely messy. If you look inside, and you look at the mess that's underneath my chain, it looks like this chain's honestly never been cleaned, because look at my hands. This is disgusting. Didn't realize it before I started installing it, but the sprocket that came in the lunchbox is a 16 tooth versus a 15 tooth. You can see the slightly different outer diameter. What that's gonna mean is that the bike should have better highway gearing, but as far as low RPMs, it's gonna have a little bit worse first gear. Nothing big, not like some crazy change. It is a little bit thinner, if you can kind of tell there. So got to make sure, keep an eye on that for as far as clearances with the chain, but should be a big deal. Hey, learning something. The goal right now is to try to get this Transalp done quickly so it's in a drivable state, for the same reason that it's in areas in here is the same reason that this has gone kind of from a restoration to I need this as a backup motorcycle. Hopefully I'll be able to talk about what's going on with the Tenere sometime soon. It should be back in 1 to 2 weeks. Should see it again soon. But this Transalp, I need to get it rideable. I'm just gonna zip tie the fairings on for the time being, but I am in dire need of a sprocket. These sprockets that they put on these bikes were only used for the Transalp and a few other odd end bikes, so no one has them in stock near me. It's gonna be a while before I get it. I'm gonna try to see what I can make work in the time being. Don't really have high hopes, but for the sake, I'm putting the brake pads on right now, and then it's chain, sprocket, and this thing's ready to ride. Tires are already mounted on the wheels. You can see them back there, and the bike runs. It's going easy right now. Maybe I should knock on wood. Well, that's it for the day, and that might be it for a week, might be it for, you know, until tomorrow. It all depends on how well I do at sourcing a sprocket for this very obscure motorcycle. Got to show appreciation to the wheel chalk I have that's keeping this motorcycle from becoming unbalanced now that the fuel tank's also installed and flipping my jack stand. So gonna get that wheel and chain figured out tomorrow and hopefully have a rideable bike to work Thursday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Get out there and ride.